morning friends, I am Dheeraj. Today we are going to see about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The green plants prepare food by using sunlight is called photosynthesis. Now we are going to see equation of photosynthesis. CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to, in the presence of light, chlorophyll, glucose C6H2O plus water H2O plus oxygen O2. CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to light and in the presence of light and chlorophyll, glucose, water, oxygen. There are under two definitions of photosynthesis. Simple compounds convert into complex compounds. Simple compounds. CO2 and H2O are simple compounds. These are converted into complex compounds, that is glucose. Another definition, inorganic compounds convert into organic compounds. Inorganic compounds, CO2 and water molecules are inorganic compounds. These convert into glucose, organic compound. Four factors involved in photosynthesis. Four factors involved in photosynthesis. First one, carbon dioxide, water, light, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Four factors, they are CO2, H2O, light, chlorophyll. This chlorophyll is present in chloroplast, cell organ. These four factors forms glucose. These four factors forms glucose. Again, these four factors are divided into two types. Again, these four factors are divided into two types. They are external factors internal factors. External factors and internal factors. External factors. External factors means the factors which are comes out of plant body. The factors which are comes from out of plant body. They are CO2 and light. CO2 is present in atmosphere. It enters plant body by stomata. Light is absorbed by chloroplast from sunlight. Internal factors. Internal factors means the factors which are already present in plant. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, we know that chlorophyll is already present in plant. H2O. H2O is absorbed by the plant, by roots, by the osmosis process. This osmosis process we can't see. So it is also under internal factors. This photosynthesis have another equation, that is balanced equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O. C6 gives rise C6H12O6 and 6H2O and 6O2. This is balanced equation of photosynthesis. It is inverted by